Registering your new prepaid SIM card is incredibly straightforward. Once you access the registration portal, you can swiftly complete the process without any intricate steps or assistance. The link to the registration portal can be accessed from the description box below. Here's a quick overview of what to expect. Step 1. Validate your SIM through the registration portal. Enter your mobile number and input the received OTP. Step 2. Complete the necessary fields, including name, date of birth, gender, address, and nationality. Take a selfie, choose your government ID type, attach a copy, and agree to Globe's privacy policy by checking the box. Then, submit your details. Step 3. Upon submission, you'll receive a reference number. Remember to store it for your records. You're done.